brushing.
And wearing it just like your daddy.
That's not funny. You got a tooth now. I'm going to have to teach you how to brush it. Do you want more? Do you want some more? That's good.
Yeah.
It's nummy? Do you think it's pretty nummy? Pretty nummy? You like that? That tastes cute? So give me some more, Daddy. Daddy, give you some more. Here.
Oh, she's opening her mouth like crazy.
You're not supposed to blow bubbles. You're supposed to eat it. Is that good? She wants more. There you go.
She's like grabbing it and pulling it to her mouth. So.
Okay, you need a second. Bubbles, you got it all over your face. That's delicious. That's delicious.